Welcome to this channel, traders. I want us to look at how I am trading these days. I know that in the past we've been trading based on the sessions strategy, okay, which is very easy. For example, on Euro USD today, you would have marked the first candle of the last candle of the Tokyo session, and then when price closed below, you would have taken a sell trade. Okay, of course you put your stop loss above that. So price dropped, pulled back, and then dropped again. I'm sure you'd have taken your profits somewhere right there. Okay, another one would have marked the first candle of the London session, because Euro USD will make a move during the London. So seeing price closing below there, you would take a sell. Okay, so it's like that. If you are new, just subscribe and then watch my previous videos. You will see how this session strategy works. Okay, but now traders, there's more to this. I'm adding more information on the strategies we have. Okay, so knowing that price will make a move during the London session, okay, or probably during the London and the New York session, Euro USD will make its move. Instead of only looking at the first candle of the London session or even the last candle of the Tokyo session, there's more that you can actually do so that you don't miss important trades. So what I do, I also check for repetitions in the forex market. For example, see that price made that touch, and then that touch, which makes it a valid trend line. So when price comes to test this trend line, I sell with confidence, knowing that price will make its move during this session. Okay, and then there was another one. Okay, during the London session, there was this touch, and then that touch on the New York session. So I would buy right there. Okay, and then seeing price closing above that, I would add more trades. In fact, if I can show you the trades that I took, okay, it's just this same thing that I am showing you. Let's just open the first one. If you take a close look here, see that there was that touch, and then right here, it makes it a valid trend line. So when price got there, I entered a buy trade, okay, knowing that price was going to pull up. Okay, of course, after noticing that price made it broke through this channel, I continued to hold the trade. Of course, there are other things that I looked at which made me to continue holding. So another one, let's take the second trade. Okay, so right here, see that there was this trend line. Okay, price made a touch there, touch there, touch there. So right there, I was confident to take the sell trade, knowing the session in which this thing would move, and then also adding this kind of information. And then I continued holding after noticing the breakout of this channel. Another one could have added more trades right there. Okay, let's just take another trade, maybe the third one, then we'll go to the last one. Okay, right here, it's not very clear on the mobile phone, but if you take a close look here, you will see that when price came to test this, it would go bullish. Okay, so right there, I was confident enough to take the trade. So it's just like that. Very easy, traders. Okay, let's go to the bottom of it. You see that it's exactly the same thing. You see that line? After noticing those touches, okay, I then took the trade there. Okay, there I took the trade on the trend line. Okay, so it is what it is, all of them. We take this one. You see that price was rejecting on that region. Okay, price was rejecting on that region. I'm not sure if It's very clear. Okay, price was rejecting on that region, so I took a sell trade and it's dropping. Price even broke out of that trend line. Okay, so it is like that. Just continue practicing, learn the session in which price is going to make a move, and then try to look for these simple repetitions of the market. Okay, once you see price doing the same thing, it made a touch here, it made a touch there, but this one is not valid because you don't have a third touch. If you would have a third touch somewhere there, you would buy on the next move. Okay, you would buy on the next move, but it didn't. Okay, so it is like that. It's not hard. Okay, right here, if the pattern is not clear, you can even take it to the 1 minute time frame. So on the 1 minute time frame, you are able to see a clear picture of the market. So what you can observe right here is that price reversed there, okay, and then it reversed there. Okay, so now what is in your mind is this level. If you will see that third touch, and then on the fourth touch you just sell. Okay, but on another note, you also have this. Okay, even though it's not very clear, so price made a touch there, and then made a touch there, which is valid. So if you didn't have these two rejections, you would buy right here, but now you'll have to wait for price to close above this key level, and then you buy it really hard. Okay, you buy it because it is at the trend line.